I came for teaching. I can't really. Okay, y'all see the pizza? Look at it.
That is good. That is good.
Okay. Hey, it's not nice. Hold on. You can't. It's hot. You gonna burn your hand. You gotta get a thing. Shit burning my damn leg. Sorry y'all, but this shit burning my damn leg. That was me. Oh, I didn't want anything. Oh, that was you, Yaya? Girl. Hey y'all. How y'all doing? Hold on. I'm with my badass children, so y'all gonna have to excuse me. I just went and picked them up from after school activities and got them some pizza. And they already like acting the fool on me already. They won't even let me be great. My first live doing screen. They won't even let me be great. I don't want to hear that bullshit. I hope y'all don't hear that dumbass song either. Ain't that the truth? Right? Where's Lady Nika? Because she's supposed to be hitting the lead for me. Oh, and I gotta get the thing too, the upgrade, so I can have more than 6 people in here. I'ma do that. I gotta do my conspiracy. I can do my conspiracies live, bitch. I can do my conspiracy.
Every time I come, I always wind up staying. Just the type of town I can spend a few days in. Miami, the city that keeps the roof blazing.
Welcome to Miami. Miami. Smooth Tennessee whiskey, girl. The day is bad, child. If only you knew. Hey, Prada. Hey, Mary Jane. Hey, my flower. So, mom, y'all see, I can barely even talk to y'all because they extra. They always.
Hey, girl. I figured I'd come over here and get it popping for you. Congrats, baby.
Thank you.
Everybody else, I better come up here and holler at Pizzaro, but look, girl, I came over here to speak to the babies. You know I love the kids. Where the babies at? Let me look
right here.
Hey, baby.
Say hi, Miss Olivia. Hi, Miss Olivia.
Oh my God! Hey, love. How y'all doing?
I say how y'all doing. How y'all doing? No, she said how y'all doing, not how you doing. She asking y'all how y'all doing.
Y'all got some candy?
She said y'all got some candy. I wish.
You better get you some candy, Pizzaro.
They got candy at home.
What the baby say, Pizzaro?
Yeah, they got candy at home. Yeah, they had bought me some candy. Daddy, we are buying some candy. Yeah, buying some candy.
Oh my God! That's not so precious. You are truly blessed.
Thank you. Even though they does a lot.
That's all right. Ain't nothing wrong with that. That's how you know they left again.
Right? You know, people told me to take care of my children, so try.
Look, when they quiet, it means they don't feel good for you. You know? So it's good to hear them talking.
Did y'all hear me crying? I just want to know if anybody hear me crying. About some more other books that I need to read into that wasn't also a part of the Bible. I know I need to read the book of Jasper. So I'm finna get started on that too because they want me to do a review on that one as well.
Okay. Well, I got a